E major chord. Finger 1 goes to the 3rd string, 1st fret. Finger 2 goes to the 5th string, 2nd fret. Finger 3 goes to the 4th string, 2nd fret. Each finger needs to hold down one string, just one string, with the end of the fingerprint. And pay attention to the joints. This position is the wrong one. This position is the right one. Once you have the chord position, the first exercise is going to be to remove your fingers just a little bit and then go back to the position. Remove your fingers a little bit and then go back to hold down the strings. Now we go to A major chord. Finger 1 goes to the 4th string in the 2nd fret. Finger 2 goes to the 3rd string in the 2nd fret. And finger 3 goes to the 2nd string in the 2nd fret. This position is the right one. This position is the wrong one. Pay attention to the joints. Remove your fingers just a little bit and then go back to the position. Remove your fingers a little bit and then go back to hold down the strings. Well, now we go to D major chord. Finger 1 goes to the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Finger 2 goes to the 1st string, 2nd fret. And finger 3, 2nd string, 3rd fret. This position is the wrong one. Pay attention to the joints. This position is the right one. Remove your fingers just a little bit and then go back to the position. D starts from the 4th string, so you don't strum the 6th or the 5th string. In A chord, you start strumming from the 5th string. You don't strum the 6th. And in E major chord, you're gonna strum all strings. The next exercise is going to be going from one chord to the other. So you start with E major position, you remove your fingers from E major, and in the air you go to the position of A major and hold down with all fingers at the same time. Then you remove your fingers from A major position, and in the air you go to the D major position and hold down with all fingers at the same time. Don't worry if at the beginning you cannot make your 3 fingers land in the position of the chord at the same time. One finger lands sooner than the other 2, but at the end the idea is that your 3 fingers land in the position at the same time. The exercise is going to be moved from E to A, from A to D, from D to A, and so on.
Lo vas a hacer muy lento, pero intentando aterrizar con todos los dedos a la vez. Y cambiando de mi a la, del la al re, vuelvo al la.